Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Mini Cooper. First, gather all your essential tools and materials, such as a new oil filter, fresh full synthetic oil, a drain pan, and appropriate wrenches. It is important to work on a warm but not hot engine for easier oil drainage. Always prioritize safety by properly lifting and securing your vehicle on a level surface using sturdy jack stands. Now let's drain the old oil. Begin by removing the oil filler cap on top of the engine. This helps create a vacuum break for smoother drainage. Next, place a large capacity drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, which is typically found on the bottom of the oil pan. Using an 8mm hex socket, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the hot, used oil to drain completely into the pan, which usually takes around 20 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. Locate the cartridge-style oil filter housing, often requiring a 27 or 32mm socket to open. Remove the old filter and replace its O-ring with a new one from your kit. Install the new filter and tighten the housing cap to 25 Nm. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, also tightening to 25 Nm. Finally, add approximately 4.5 to 5 quarts of full synthetic 5W30 or 0W30 oil. For the final steps, carefully lower your Mini Cooper. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to allow the new oil to circulate thoroughly. Turn off the engine, wait a few moments, then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it sits between the minimum and maximum marks. Visually inspect the drain plug and filter housing for any signs of leaks. Lastly, remember to reset your service interval light, often done by holding down the BC button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.